Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP, bringing you another workout nutrition DIY video. Today I will teach you how to make the best post-workout shake you will ever have. So here's a recipe for the best post-workout shake you'll ever have, which will make sure those greedy muscles of yours stay fed after you finish hitting the iron. Let's get started. Now for those who have bought either SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go or SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home, you'll know why this workout shake in particular is so effective, as in both guides I've listed the importance of the ingredients, their benefits, and why, not to mention how they work together so well. This works very well in conjunction with SUPP Noble Gym in a Bag workout guide, which provides guidance on the best portable workout equipment to own, a breakdown of how muscles are and can be effectively worked, and customizable workout plans. If you haven't already, check it out now. The link is in the description below or up on the screen. Enjoy. Now this makes one post-workout shake. Prep time is 1 to 2 minutes. Cook time is obviously 0 minutes, making for a total time of about 2 minutes. Items needed are a protein shaker bottle, or optionally, you could use a hand blender or a protein shaker bottle with a blender built in. I personally prefer the last two, and there's a good reason for it, which I will explain in a minute. For the ingredients, you need 24 grams of casein hydrolysate, 12 grams of HBCD, 5 grams of micronized creatine, about 500 milligrams of alcar, and 250 milliliters of water, and about 50 milliliters of juice concentrate. There is a reason why I state these measurements in milliliters. In an earlier video and in several of my blog posts I've mentioned in the past that getting a scale is really important. If you haven't bought one, I highly recommend that you buy one now. It really just dials in, it's precise, and it works really well when it comes to your pre, intra, and post-workout nutrition. In general, really, when it comes to nutrition overall, even when it comes to meals. It dials in and allows you to actually really focus and pay attention to what you're taking in when it comes to nutrition. Now for the directions. Step 1, fill your shaker with 50 milliliters of either orange or strawberry and apple juice concentrate. This is also known as high juice, squash, or cordial, or you can experiment around and pick your own flavors. I find that these are the two best flavors that work for me. You're then going to add 250 milliliters of water. Step 2, throw in all your ingredients, casein hydrolysate first. Now step 3, if you have a standard protein shaker bottle, I would say to swirl the ingredients gently until everything dissolves. Now if you have a hand blender, or you have the type of protein shaker bottles that have a built-in blender, you just push the button to blend it, and that's about it. Step 4, take off the shaker top. And step 5, chug. Now the reason I mentioned that protein shaker bottle with a built-in blender is much better is because casein hydrolysate is very light protein, and it tends to foam very easily when you shake it. You know, usually whey proteins, micellar casein, you can easily shake those up and they dissolve pretty quickly. But casein hydrolysate, because of the quality of it, because it's so rapidly absorbing, it does tend to foam a lot more. So you end up, you either have to wait for a very long time for the foam to go down, or you just end up wasting a lot of the protein. So swirling it gently works very well. Now there are a plethora of reasons the shake is far better than your average run-of-the-mill whey protein concentrate shake. Casein hydrolysate trumps whey concentrate, as you only need half the amount you usually require from a regular post-workout whey shake, which is usually about 40 to 50 grams of whey protein powder. Now HBCD doesn't have the crash like, and it works effectively with casein hydrolysate, which is explained further in both the nutrition guides, ensuring your muscles are replenished fully, thus leading to better gains from your workouts. Micronized creatine is included for obvious reasons, and alcar, well, if you read the guides, you'll know why I like to think of it as a little secret weapon. And that is about it. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gained lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve-splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. Every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I won't wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy, and that's available under the snacks chapters, and previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. All guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most important, stop doing guesswork. Start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great week, weekend, whichever. Peace.